Hi, this is Shyam Saran and you are watching Nirodjivi on Red Eyes Films. Nirodjivi is tribal Santali health program and today we shall discuss about a liquid Ayurvedic medicine called Mustakarist. In Santali language, the program's name Nirodjivi means healthy life. And in this healthy life program, first of all, we shall discuss what is Mustakarist and what is its uses. Okay? Friends, the answer is Mustakarist is an Ayurvedic medicine in liquid form. What is the basic usage of Mustakarist? This is Baidyanath Mustakarist, and this Mustakarist is basically used in diarrhea, indigestion, flatulence and bloating as well as in several digestive issues. Let us know what are the basic or main composition or ingredient of Mustakarist. In Mustakarist, root of Nagarmotha is used, which is botanically called as Cyperus rotundus. Next, gur is the another main or basic ingredient in water form, liquid form, that is called jaggery. Next, seed of ajwain is used, which is called Trachispermum ammi. Then root of chitrak is used, which is botanically called as Plumbago gelinica. Seed of jeera is also used, which is botanically called as Cuminum seminum. The fruit of kali mirch is also added to this Mustakarist. In Indian language, which is called piper nigrum or black pepper. Next ingredient is lavang, which is botanically called as Syzygium aromaticum. The blossom of Syzygium aromaticum is also used in this Mustakarist. Next ingredient is methi. In English, methi is called as fenugreek, or botanically it is called as Trigonella phoenum griseum. Next, dried form of Gingiva officinalis or ginger, or in India it is called as Sunthi or sont. Its rhizome part is used. Next is the flower of Dhai Phul in India. It is botanically called as Woodfordia fruticosa. The flower of Woodfordia fruticosa is also used in this Mustakarist. Among all those basic or important ingredients, let us discuss the function of some very important elements or ingredients used in this Mustakarist. Let us first discuss about the main function of chitraks or function of chitraks one by one. Chitrak reduces the inflammation and swelling due to any injury or infection. It helps the management of diarrhea by reducing gastric motility. Chitrak eliminates out the excess gas from gastrointestinal tract or GIT. Next important ingredients is jeera. Jeera also reduces swelling and inflammation in body of any injury or infection. Jeera reduces bloating and flatulence. It improves digestion and food absorption. Jeera kills microbes and inhibits their multiplication. Next is cloves. Clove also reduces swelling. It is used for muscle spasm and pain in any muscles that may be voluntarily or involuntarily muscles. Clove kills the bacteria and arrests the growth of bacteria. It kills the microbes and destroys the growth of microbes. Clove inhibits the microbial growth. Next important ingredient is black pepper. Black pepper also reduces the swelling and inflammation. It relieves the diarrhea symptoms. Black pepper also used to treat muscle spasm and pain in volunteer or involuntary muscles. It soothes the stomach and improves the digestion. Black pepper destroys microbes or it suppresses the growth of bacteria. Next is fenugreek. It also reduces the inflammation as well as swelling in body due to any accident or any injury or by due to any infection by bacteria. It is effective in eliminating the stomach or the intestinal gas. It stimulates the function of liver. It is effective in killing or reducing the growth of bacteria. The next ingredient is ginger or Gingiber officinalis. Ginger is also used for suppressing the inflammation or swelling. It decreases the gastrointestinal motility, by which as the result diarrhea can be prevented. Ginger also used to treat muscle spasm and muscle pain. Ginger eliminates out the excess gas from stomach and intestine. It stimulates the food digestion and food absorption. It improves the pH level of the stomach. It also inhibits the microbial growth and destroys microbes. Next is about ajwain. Ajwain is used to treat diarrhea by reducing gastric motility. It is also used for muscle spasm and pain of voluntary or involuntary muscles. Ajwain eliminates out the excess gas from gastrointestinal tract or GIT. It pacifies the stomach acidity and reduces the heartburn. It kills the bacteria and inhibits their activities. Now let us discuss about the method of preparation of Mustakarist. First, coarse powder of Musta or Nagarmutha is added to about 50 liters of water and boiled and reduced to near about 12 liter and filtered. After boiling, this preparation is called as kasyam. Now all the ingredients are mixed with this kasyam and this is preserved in a vessel container and the container is closed and kept for the period of 1 month. The gur or jaggery undergoes for the fermentation. After 1 month, the contents are filtered and stored in a tight bottle. Now about dosage. It is taken twice a day and its dose is 15 ml to 30 ml with equal quantity of water. It can be taken 30 minutes before food or 30 minutes after food. Its normal dose is 15 ml to 30 ml, but dose can be increased as per the advice of your physician or according to the severity of the patient. It is not recommended for the pregnant women and infants. However, the children above 7 years can be administered. There is not known any side effect of this medicine. Overdose of this medicine may cause gastritis, so it is better to use under medical supervision. If you are taking allopathic medicines or any western medicines and trying to take Mustakarist with that medicine, you should first take the western medicine, then after 30 minutes later you should take this Mustakarist. You should not take simultaneously both medicine, western medicine and this Ayurvedic medicine Mustakarist. So keep in mind, first you should take Western or allopathic medicines, after 30 minutes you should take this Ayurvedic medicines. This medicine can be taken during lactating period, and the expiry date. Generally, any Aristo and Asava, there is no, it has no expiry date, but even then now it is written 10 years from the date of manufacturing. So always buy a Mustakarist of branded company. Example for Baidyanath, Dabur or Jhandu, anything else you can take. You should not buy a local company or non-branded company. And this is all about the Ayurvedic liquid medicine Mustakarist, and I think all of you are satisfied by me. In next episode I am coming with another Ayurvedic medicines. Till then, goodbye.